Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to sort date in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data available to us in order for us to sort anything. Next, all we have to do is to make sure that our dates are in the date format. To check, all we have to do is select the cells, right-click, go to Format Cells, and it should be on date. If it's in general or number, you probably have to change it to date and to the format that we need. Well, we're not really strict with format, so let's use the default. Once we click OK, there we go. Now that we've made sure that our dates are in the date format, all we have to do is select our whole data. Once we do so, go to the editing group and click on Sort and Filter. Once we're here, go ahead straight down to Custom Sort. Next, all we have to do is click on this drop-down list over here under Sort By. Once we click on that, let's go ahead and choose birth date. Now, we can either choose to arrange it from oldest to newest or vice versa. Let's try newest to oldest. And there we go. We just arranged our date from newest to the oldest. Now, to actually go ahead and do the other way around, go to Custom Sort again, change this to oldest and newest, click OK, and there we go. And there we have it. This is how we sort date in Microsoft Excel.